not leaving. Milk carton, black and white face.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the HNT Family Vlog. Hello. Mwah. Welcome to the HNT Family Vlog channel. I'm Hermie. This is Titan. And Noah is sleeping right now. He does night shifts, so he's not in this vlog. But I'm sure he'll have a day off and we'll do a vlog together. We have been filming vlogs, but it's not really, like, I don't continue it during the day. So I can't make a vlog out of it. But today, we're going, right? We're going on a hike. Not really a hike. We're going to Boundary Bay Park. So we're gonna go on a long walk, me and Titan. So yeah, I've been more encouraged to go on walks or hikes, especially with this new app called pawswap. They're doing a hike and trail challenge. So you get to go on they have, like, on their app, they have multiple hike locations that you can go to with your dog. So we found a place we're going to go to. It's like a 30-minute drive away. We're going to go there, take a hike, or just a quick walk. You should see Titan right now. Hey! Hey! You're going to go on a walk? About 10 minutes into the hike or the trail. Titan's doing really great, actually. We are still trying to train him how to walk properly, like do loose leaf walking. He does really great. I can hold the leash with just a finger and he still walks properly right by my side. But when it comes to, like, people walking past us or other dogs, I kind of have to keep a stern hand on the leash. So yeah, we just finished our little trail walk. It was super nice. Like, I'm glad I came here on a really sunny, nice day. The water is really nice. This is like, it's kinda, I didn't go to the first place I said I was gonna go to Boundary Regional Trail Park, but I went to Dees Island, which it was like just a 20-minute drive from my house because I don't have a lot of time because I have to pick up the kids. So yeah, but Titan loved his walk. We got in like maybe a 45-minute walk and it was good. You all drained out? You're tired? Oh, he's tired. That was a long walk. Hello everyone. Good morning, HNT family. He's tired right now and he wants treats. But yeah, we're gonna go on a hike today. I just got ready. We were supposed to go early in the morning, but I couldn't get myself to wake up. So right now we're getting ready to go on a hike. I don't know where we're gonna go. I wanted to do like a difficult hike. I know there's a hike called Dog Mountain and it's a 2-hour hike. I wanted to do that, but I don't know if we're gonna do that one. It's really nice outside too, which is really surprising because we've been getting rain like every single day. Hello, you want to say hi? Sit. Yeah, we've been getting a lot of rain lately, so I'm pretty happy that we have sun today because we're gonna go on a hike. I'm gonna look through the app and see what kind of hikes I can do. I was looking at there's like a suggested beach one in Richmond that I might want to go to, but I don't know yet, so I will let you guys know when we decide. Say hi. Okay, so I'm just gonna pack my bag for the hike. Excuse me, little buddy. Okay. Sits. Good sits. He wants to be here, so I need this towel. I need wipes. Okay, so, hey buddy. Hi. Titan has really bad anxiety in the car. Every time we're driving, he'll cry like the minute we start moving. But I am in the Tim Hortons drive-thru. I'm gonna get breakfast, and then I'm gonna head to Noah's because I need to pick up some food for Titan. I don't know if he wants to join us on our hike because he had a night shift. So I'll ask him if he wants to join. He's probably tired. But it's like already 12, and this is usually when he wants to wake up. So yeah. And also, sorry if I'm talking like very weird. I had surgery on my teeth, like I had a tooth extraction, and then they wanted to pull my canine down. So yeah. Hey dude, you can't be up here. The Tim Hortons lineup is super long. Also, I was just listening to Olivia Rodrigo, I think that's her name. Her new song, it's called Driver's License. So good. Very good. Love it. Also, I got this cut from my sister's dog. She was jumping on my face. I'm gonna sue my sister. Just kidding. Yeah, so if you see this cut, that's from my sister's dog. But anyways, we're here with Noah. He's not excited for this hike. But we're gonna try, I think we're gonna go to Iona Beach in Richmond. You wanna go there?
Try not to freeze.
He's scared of being so cold. But it's not extremely cold outside anyways.
Okay. Titan, you ready, little friend?
Yes, so we're gonna go on a hike. I'm so excited.
And 3 countries behind. Front row my show for show, you go laugh at my banter. Bite toe my toe for show, you won't give me an answer. Drink me a beer, cold beer, change my euros to zloty. Wake up your bed, my hand all over your body. I'm 3 countries behind in my diary, but I still feel you, yeah, deep inside of me,
So, we just finished our walk. It was like 45, 30, I don't know. It wasn't that long of a walk because he has to get his hair cut at 3 and it's 2:49, so we cut the walk a little short, but Titan's still very tired and he did very good, so it was good. But we're on our way to his barber. He's gonna get a haircut finally. Maybe we can do like a little sit down Q&A thing.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna go to his barber and I'm gonna wait. How long does your barber take?
Not long ago.
No, it is long. It's like an hour. They probably get like facials done too while they're there. He's coming with his haircut. Hello, mister.
Hello.
Oh my goodness. How was your haircut?
It was good.
You look really good.
Thanks.
Titan. Okay, so good morning, HNT Family. We are going to Coquitlam on a trail. It's called like Coquitlam Trail to I don't know. I'll write it down. I'll put it down here. But we're gonna go on a trail. Titan really loves hikes or just trails. And he's down. It's super cold here. But yeah, we're gonna go on our hike. We're gonna come back because it's my little sister's birthday, so yeah. There's like a lot of people on this trail, so I haven't been vlogging, but this trail is like extremely muddy and it's hard because Titan doesn't like water that much, and there's like a lot of water streams going through the trails, so yeah, but he's doing great, right? Right, yeah. See, this is what I mean when there's like a lot of water that Titan does not like. Jump! Yes, good boy. This trail kind of reminds me of Temple Run, that old game we used to play in high school.